Hi, let me start here guys. This is the pool of Uptown Park Suites. Quiet, elegant, and the view sobrang relaxing. Perfect for slow mornings or sunset. This is the kind of amenity you actually use, not just for show. Very calm, very private. Labas naman tayo guys and look around. You're near Grand Hyatt Manila, Mitsukoshi Mall, and the Landers is just downstairs within Uptown. And just so you know, Uptown Park Suites actually has sky gardens inside the building. Pwede kang maglakad-lakad dito, grab a coffee, or just sit down and reset. And really, in a place like BGC, having something like this inside your building, that's the real win. Now, this is the one bedroom here in Uptown Park Suites Tower 2. Bright yung living area, functional kitchen space, and a good sized bedroom that you can design depending on your lifestyle.